This is Richard Schull from Odoo. I am putting together a new video for you on how to load demo data. With the release of version 13, they've made it much simpler, removing some steps. It's still very easy to do. Now, one thing I want to just quickly pass over is if you create a trial, make sure you activate the database, otherwise it will disappear in 4 hours and not be accessible ever again. If you activate it, it will be accessible. Even if it expires, it is still around to potentially even bring it back. So, quick video, start in the settings. This is the main dashboard. You'll jump into the settings application. Version 13 revamped the general settings. It looks very different. You now scroll down at the very bottom. Previously, you needed to go into developer mode in order to load demo data, but now you don't need to. It is visible no matter what. Keep in mind that before you load the demo data, install all the applications you want for the demo data to display, and let's go ahead and do that. This may take some time to load depending on how many applications you have. A quick little warning, tell you if you do this, you can't reverse it. The data is permanent, so be careful. You most likely will have to create a new database if you want to use this for your production. And you'll see that the oops, no, that's in green, the most likely response. You'll make sure to click the button in white, which is the alternative response. Once you do that, it loads. Go ahead and get some coffee. And now that it's loaded, you come back in, nothing new, but you dive into each module, you'll see orders to process, products, bunch of products. Dive into it. You'll see it was just created now, so I'm not lying to you, time-stamped at 10/11/2019 at 10:42 a.m. Eastern Standard. So that's very easy, simple to do. Let me know if you have any questions, rsh@odoo.com. Thank you and have a great one.